Whoa. Hi guys, what is up? Oksana here, and it's almost Valentine's Day. I feel like a lot of you didn't need that reminder. I didn't need that reminder. But I have the perfect dish for you, even if you don't want to cook it on Valentine's Day. I don't cook it on Valentine's Day. Today we are going to be making one of my favorite pastas of all time, Mizithra pasta, with some brown butter chicken for your protein and some broccoli Mizithra for your veggies. So it's a perfect all-around dish. You could go to the old spaghetti factory and buy it for double the price and double the calories, so make it at home. And it's the perfect Valentine's Day dish. It's spaghetti. Oh, I didn't even do that on purpose. It's spaghetti. Make it for the person you like, you know? Make this for a loved one, make this for yourself. I'm probably gonna make it for myself. You're fine, I'm fine. We're all fine.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Totally fine. I'm fine.
All right, and with that, let's go. These are all the ingredients that you need. Old Spaghetti Factory brown butter, Old Spaghetti Factory Mizithra cheese, black pepper, salt, onion powder, and 2 cloves of garlic, Trader Joe's Italian spaghetti, 2 chicken breasts. You don't need this much. About 2 cups of broccoli, and some sage. First, boil some water. Once your water starts boiling, break your pasta in half. Season it with a little bit of black pepper. Also some salt. And just mix it. For your chicken, you're also going to season with pepper, season with some salt, and season with some onion powder. And then just do the same thing on the other side. Grab your garlic. Kind of a way to get it easily off this is to just kind of hit it. Just chop those little pieces up. Grab your pan and the brown butter. Oh, it needs to be made into a perfume. Now grab about 1.5 tablespoons to start off with for your chicken. Let that heat up. Grab your garlic and add it to the pan. Add your chicken to it. Add another tablespoon of the brown butter to the top of the chicken. Now that it's been going for a little bit, you're also going to rip off a handful of the sage leaves. Grab a new pan and add 1 tablespoon of brown butter. Let it heat up and then add your spaghetti to it. Here our chicken is ready to be flipped. You can grab some of the juice and just top it with it. Add 1 more tablespoon of the butter, Mizithra cheese, sprinkle that on to taste. Grab a steam pot and add just a little bit of water to it. Pour your broccoli in, or spill it, and then just top it. The broccoli looks nice and soft when it's cooked, and season it with some salt and pepper, and then top with the Mizithra. Good to go. Alright, let's see. Oh, that's good! Let's go for the chicken! it all yourself. That's what I call a good Valentine's Day. Let me know what you think and like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff.